What do we got here? Oh, look at this, an old OTIS. Go to 2? Look at this. Where are we, 2? Yep, we're on the top floor, I think. Look at this beautiful elevator. Completely original or garage. Wow. What kind of reminds me of? Lights burned out, but look at that. This is at 35 Wall Street West, I think. No, 730 Yonge Street, where's that? Shopping street level. Look at that, folks. Completely original. Except for the door sensors, 2,500 pounds, 14 persons. Look at that indicator. Wow. This is why I go check out every building just in case. You never know. There it is. There you go. Beautiful elevator. Just look at that. And that is it.